Okay, we're about to read An Orange in January. While we're reading, we're going to be looking at concepts of print. We're going to track our print, and when we read the last line on the page, here we have the table of contents. Some books have a table of contents as soon as you open up the book. And here in your table of contents, you have on page 4 An Orange in January, which is the book we're going to read. It is an informational text, which also gives us information about social studies, such as people and what people do. The book is illustrated by Julie Marin, and the author is Diana Hutz. Also in our table of contents, you will find a paired read, and the name of that story is Farmer's Market. That can be found on page 34. It is also an informational text which provides information as we read the book related to science. Now sit back and let's get started reading our text, An Orange in January.
To my friend, Christy Stallop, with love and gratitude, DHA. For my precious nephew, Shepard, welcome to the world, J.M. An Orange in January, by Diana Hutz Aston. Illustrated by Julie Marin. In a land that glowed with spring light, an orange blossomed. In a land that glowed with spring light, an orange blossomed. Bees feasted on nectar sweet as honey, until the petals fell away, and the orange began to grow into what it was meant to be. It grew slowly and steadily, fed by the earth's soil and the ocean's breath. Soaked with rain and drenched in sunshine, the orange grew plump and bright, until a hand, brown with seasons of sun, plucked it from its branch. While dew still glittered on the leaves, its days of growing were over, but there was life in it yet, and it still had far to go. From bag to basket. Truck to truck. It followed the skyway over mountains, across deserts and plains, until the orange arrived at a grocery store. There it rested, aglow with the goodness inside it, until two hands, small and soft, took it from the pile and called it the best one of all. Carrying it home, the child felt its roundness and imagined himself a juggler, a pitcher, a clown with an orange ball. That night, as ice gleamed on the branches, he dreamed of a land that shone in summer light. When morning came, the orange reached the end of its journey, bursting with the seasons inside it. And two hands, pink with cold, shared its segments, so that everyone could taste the sweetness of an orange in January.
And that's the end of our story, guys. If you need to refer back to the story, please do so.